everyone, welcome back to our Fire Nursing Tutorial YouTube channel. In this class here we are going to discuss 5 emergency drugs. Here I will not only tell the drug names, also indications, doses and then dilutions, formulations and also key tips for emergency drugs. Well, see the drug. First one, adrenaline. Adrenaline. Here it is epinephrine. Epinephrine. Here we'll see the indications. Indications and dosage. We'll see here indication, it is given for the anaphylaxis or anaphylactic shock. And then cardiac arrest. And then cardiac arrest. Here it is drug of choice for cardiac arrest. And then dosage is for anaphylaxis 0.5 mg given by the route IM. And then here dilution is 1:1000. And then comes to the cardiac arrest. And also here 1 mg by the route IV, and then here dilution is 1:10,000. Dose must be repeated every 3 to 5 minutes till we get the response. This is about adrenaline. Second one is atropine. Here atropine, you will see the indications here. Indications. Here atropine is used in bradycardia, and OP poison, organophosphorus poisoning. And then we'll see the dosage of this drug. Doses for bradycardia 0.6 mg IV. Here 0.6 mg IV, and then this drug has to be repeated every 3 to 5 minutes. But maximum dose is, we can trace, that is given as 3 mg. And then we'll see in a OP poison. Here around 2 to OP poison. Here around 2 to 5 mg IV as bolus we can give. And then here we need to repeat this drug till the secretion arrive. In OP poison, we need to use this drug in more quantity. We'll see the tips. Here we need to monitor the heart rate. And also size of pupil. We need to monitor. This is all about the drug atropine. Next we'll see the third drug, that is also start from A. Amiodarone. Here it is a drug of antiarrhythmic. You might have, it's a broad spectrum of antiarrhythmic. You might have heard it in the case of antibiotics, broad spectrum of antibiotics, like that it is broad spectrum of antiarrhythmic drug. Here indications, we'll see the indications of this drug. Indications, it is used in ventricular tachycardia, and then ventricular fibrillation, and then also it's mostly used in, that is supraventricular tachycardia. These are the indications. Next we'll see the dosage. Dosage is that is 150 to 300 mg. 300 mg IV. IV as bolus. But that is here 600 to 900 mg. 900 mg per 24 hours. Per 24 hours, this is a dosage. Okay, next we'll see the tips. Here, here has to monitor the BP. Monitor BP and also QT prolongation. This is all about this drug, that is amiodarone. It is an anti-arrhythmic drug. Next we'll see the fourth drug, that is midazolam. Midazolam. Here the indications. We'll see the indications of this drug. Indications: seizure and sedation. Here mostly status epilepticus. We'll see the dosage. Dosage, that is 2 to 5 mg. 2 to 5 mg IV. Here it is for the seizure, and then here it is given as IM or buccal. IM or buccal route. Buccal route, that is 0.2 mg. 2 mg per kg body weight. It depends upon the body weight. And then here key tip is monitor patient respiration. Monitor patient respiration. Patient respiration and then airway obstruction. Patient airway obstruction. This is all about this drug midazolam. We'll see the last drug but not the least. Fifth one, that is dextrose. Dextrose 25% or 50%. Here indication is hypoglycemia. Indication is hypoglycemia. When the blood sugar level comes really down. Indication, and then dose is 25 to 50 ml IV by the route IV. We'll see the summary of this all 5 drugs. Here are the indications, here are the drugs. First one is, as I told earlier, adrenaline. That is for the indication is anaphylactic shock and then cardiac arrest. And then for atropine, here indication is bradycardia and OP poisoning. And then amiodarone, here it is for the supraventricular tachycardia, and then ventricular fibrillations. These are the indications for this amiodarone. And then midazolam, here it is for the indication is seizures and then sedation. And then last of this dextrose, it is for the hypoglycemia. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for watching.